Eugene here. Today I will add and subtract polynomials. Now, one thing you need to remember, that when I combine the like terms, I will not change any exponents. I can only change exponents if I'm multiplying or dividing. So, watch these examples and notice that the only thing I'm really doing is adding the numbers together that are in front of my variables. Alright, let's go. First example, we're going to add 2x squared plus 5x minus 8. I'm going to add that to a 5x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay, since I'm adding, I don't have to worry about distributing anything through these parentheses, so I'm going to combine like terms. First set of like terms are the x squareds. Second set of like terms are the x's. And then finally, my last set of like terms are the numbers. Okay, let's go. 2x squared plus 5x squared gives us 7x squared. 5x plus a negative 6x, that's unlike signs, so we're going to subtract and get the sign of the larger number. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Since the 6 is negative, this is a negative 1x. Now, I don't have to write the 1 in front of the x because it's understood to be there. And on my numbers, negative 8, positive 4, unlike signs, subtract and get the sign of the larger number. 8 minus 4 is 4. Since the 8 is negative, the 4 is negative. Next example, subtraction. 5x squared minus 3x plus 10. I'm going to subtract negative 2x squared minus 4x plus 8. Now, when I have subtraction, I like to rewrite this without parentheses because I got to make sure that I distribute this negative to all three of those. So, rewriting this, nothing in front of these parentheses, so I just write this as 5x squared minus 3x plus 10. Now, I'm going to multiply this negative times all three of those. So negative times negative makes a positive 2x squared. Negative times negative makes a positive 4x. Negative times positive makes a negative 8. So if you notice, dropping parentheses following a subtraction changes all the signs of the numbers that were inside the parentheses. Now, like terms, x squareds, x's, and numbers. Combining the x squareds, 5 plus 2 gives me 7x squared. Negative 3x, positive 4x gives me a positive 1x. And 10 minus 8 gives me a positive 2. And y'all, that is the final answer. Now, time for one more example. Alright, 7x cubed minus 4x plus 2. I'm subtracting 4x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay, so once again, I'm going to rewrite this having distributed that minus sign through the second set of parentheses, giving me 7x cubed minus 4x plus 2. Negative positive gives me a negative 4x squared. Negative positive gives me a negative 5x. Negative negative gives me a positive 3. Now notice, x's are like terms, numbers are like terms, and other than that, that's it. So, going from highest exponent to the lowest, I got a 7x cubed. Next highest exponent are the x squareds. I got a negative 4x squared. Those two didn't change because they didn't have no one else to add to up here. Now my x is negative 4x, negative 5x. Adding like signs, add the numbers, they keep their sign, giving me a negative 9x. Now, positive 2, positive 3, adding like signs, gives me a positive 5. Alright, that concludes today's lessons on adding and subtracting polynomials. Good luck, and until next time, have a good day.